Hello everyone, this is Leo from TIPTOP Stage Light. This is the curtain drop controller. Some customer will have the question for the using way and the repair. So we make a video today. And first you can see this is the power in. This position have the power out. This is DMX in, DMX out. This is the fuse. And you can see this position is for the DMX address. You can see 1 to 10. 1 means 0, 0, 1, 2 means 2. But if you push 3, means channel 4. If you push 4, means channel 8. Please note. And this model have the 2 channels. The channel 1 is open and channel 2 is open time. And you can see this power in, power out. This is the main board. This is clamps. And please note this one. This is the solenoid valve. If you connect the power cable and push the DMX controller or use the power mode, these clamps will lift. And you can see it will lift, and these clamps will open. Later I show you how it's working. This is the LED lamps for the power supply. This is the fuse. Sometimes if this model power control is fine but DMX control have problem, no response, means this fuse is loose. You need to fasten this fuse or check if the fuse is dead. This is aluminum clamps, and you can see this distance almost 5 centimeter. 5 centimeters, suitable for the 5 centimeter truss pipe. Now I show you how it's working. And you can see this position, I connected the power cable, and this mode controller have the power mode and DMX mode. If I push to power mode, then this one will lift upward, then these clamps will open. If I choose DMX, I need to connect to the controller and DMX cable. Now I hang this one bag of clamps to this position. And now I push the switch to the power mode. Now we see how these clamps open. See this one, close and open. Okay, now I connect the DMX cable to the controller. And you can see this DMX address, I push to 1 means the channel 1. This is only open 1 second. If I push channel 2 to 255, then you push channel 1 again. See. So this is the using way, and you can see if I push the number 1 upward and push to the number 2, this is number 2, means you need to push channel 2. Then this one becomes open. Then this is open time. Okay, understand? And be careful this white plastic. If you push too hard, then this one will broken, and then this DMX address will no response. Be careful.